Alright, today in class we went over finding the missing angle in a triangle. Alright, so here we've got a triangle. We know two of the angles. Inside a triangle, we know that there are 180 degrees inside a triangle. So in order to find the missing angle, we need to add our two angles that we know, 54 plus 101, and we get 155 degrees. Well, I'm not at 180 yet, so this last angle here, has to get to where I am at 180. So how do I get there? I take 180 and I subtract 155. When I subtract 155 from 180, I get 25. So this last angle here is 25 degrees. Alright? Again, every triangle has 180 degrees in it, so we know that there are 180 degrees in there. We've got 45 at this angle here. We've got, what's that box mean? That's right, that box means it is 90 degrees here. So 45 here and 90 at the other. So I take those two and I add them. 45 plus 90. And I get 135 degrees. Am I at 180 yet? No, I'm not. So we know that the added angles is 135. I'm trying to get to 180. So I know that I need to take 180 and subtract 135 from it. And 180 minus 135 is 45 degrees. So this last angle is 45 degrees. Same here, we would do the same thing. Get these, add them together. You'd get 120. So this last one has to be 60 degrees because 180 minus 120 degrees is 60. This one here, we add our 255s together. I get 110. 110, 180 minus 110.
That's a lot.
It's a lot. All it is adding. Alright, here are the notes from class today so that you have them, so that you're able to look at them for your homework. Alright, here are your triangle types. You've got the scalene, the isosceles, the equilateral, the acute, the right, and the obtuse. Here we know that in a triangle there are always 180 degrees. If you know 2, you can find the third. Add the 2 that you know together, subtract that sum from 180 to get your third angle. And the last thing is your triangle side lengths. Oh, second to last thing is your triangle side lengths. You look at your side length. Whatever is across from your longest side is your largest angle. So in this case, 15 is across from A, so that's your largest angle is A. 14 is across from B, so that's my middle-sized angle. And C is my smallest angle because it is across from the smallest side. And the last thing we went over is triangles. When can you make a triangle? You can form a triangle when 2 of the side lengths that are smallest side lengths add up to be greater than the third side. So if you have 3, 4, 5, you add 3 and 4 together, you get 7. You say 7 is bigger than 5, so it makes a triangle. Smiley face. Good stuff. Not a triangle. 1, 2, 5. I add my 2 smallest sides up. 1 plus 2. Does 1 plus 2, is it bigger than 5? No, it's not. So we know this is not a triangle. Sad face. Alright, everything you need to be successful is right here in this video for triangles. Yeah.